Broadly speaking, a commercial vehicle is any type of motor vehicle that's used for transporting goods or paying passengers. Legally, the definition of a commercial vehicle is a little more complex, but for our purposes, we're talking about vehicles that are used for business purposes or to provide public services. When we talk about commercial vehicles, the first things that might come to mind are semi-trucks and buses. But in reality, commercial vehicle fleets can encompass a wide range of sizes and gross vehicle weight ratings and run the gamut from pickup trucks and delivery vans to box trucks, utility trucks, RVs, and taxis. In this video, we're going to mostly focus on Class 3 vehicles, which have a gross vehicle weight rating between 10,001 and 14,000 pounds. This category includes popular models such as the Ford F-350, Chevrolet Silverado 3500, and Ram 3500. Class 3 vehicles are popular for a number of reasons. Their combination of payload capacity, towing ability, and relatively manageable size makes them highly adaptable to a wide range of commercial and specialized applications. Another factor is the range of body styles and configurations that are available, from standard pickups and vans to chassis cabs that can be customized with different types of bodies and equipment to suit specific needs. Your customers might use a Class 3 truck to haul construction tools, building materials, or landscaping supplies. Outfitted with toolboxes, racks, and storage bins, these trucks often serve as mobile workshops for electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and general contractors. Class 3 vehicles also are ideal for local deliveries, especially in areas where larger trucks might have difficulty maneuvering. They can be configured to carry passengers, and some Class 3 vehicles are outfitted as ambulances. A vehicle that's used for business or public transportation is going to be subjected to a lot more wear and tear than the typical personal vehicle, and it's going to require more frequent inspection and maintenance. Heavy loads, rough terrain, frequent starts and stops, and long hours of operation are among the factors that accelerate wear and tear on suspension components, brakes, tires, and other systems on a work vehicle. When you're recommending replacement shocks for a Class 3 vehicle or higher, here's something to keep in mind. You can actually upgrade from the OE shocks by recommending gas-charged shocks that are available in the aftermarket. Gas-charged shocks from FCS add nitrogen to the original hydraulic shock design to deliver a smoother, more responsive ride. Inside the shock, a low-pressure charge of nitrogen gas is added in the chamber above the hydraulic oil to minimize aeration of hydraulic fluid. This helps significantly reduce fade, minimize vibrations, and extend service life. Gas-charged shock absorbers help maintain consistent contact between the tires and the road surface, improving vehicle stability and control. For Class 3 vehicles that are making deliveries or carrying expensive tools and equipment, this enhanced stability and reduced vibration can help keep precious cargo from shifting and getting damaged. By more effectively absorbing road irregularities, gas-charged shocks provide a more comfortable ride, which is especially important for commercial vehicles that are transporting passengers. By maintaining greater tire-to-road contact, gas-charged shock absorbers also can help reduce braking distances, enhancing overall vehicle safety, especially in emergency stopping scenarios. All of FCS's shock absorbers for Class 3 through 8 commercial vehicles are nitrogen gas charged and engineered to meet and exceed OEM quality using the latest state-of-the-art manufacturing processes. Features of FCS gas-charged shocks for commercial vehicles include reinforced precision robotic welded I-rings designed to handle the worst road conditions, velocity proportional valving technology that provides proportional damping based on the speed of vehicle-to-road impact, specially designed concave bushings that keep the bushing in place and prevent bushing walkout, and a mirror-finished hard chrome OE-style piston rod that provides superior corrosion resistance and leak-free sealing. The next time a customer needs replacement shock absorbers for a Class 3 through Class 8 vehicle, consider recommending nitrogen gas-charged shocks for better performance, improved comfort and stability, enhanced safety, and a longer service life. Thanks for watching.